Here we have this little Sealey combi drill. Something not right. I'm going to have to open this and find out what's going on. Right, not much in here, only dirt. Definitely very basic, just a couple of wires, a switch and a little seal motor. Not much to argue with. I know the problem lies in this motor. It seems to be seized, so if we can give it a bit of a turn with a pair of pliers, it might go again. I'm going to put it together and try it again. Might be wise to knock all that clay out of it first though. Nice. Look at that. That is marvellous. Might just run this without the gearbox on it to see what it does. Just big lumps of dirt flying at it. Wonder would that be of help? It'll not make it any worse, I know. Right, with the gear assembly on, I'm going to put this together. I think I've got this fixed. That's it back together now. So we'll just put the battery in and see what's going on. Goes in from the back. Sealey and their wonderful ideas. Well, that's it going again. You should always clean your tools. Don't let this sort of stuff accumulate inside it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Check out my channel for more videos. Now I gotta open this again. Give it a proper clean.